Hi, this is Chris with Churchill Mortgage. I wanted to send you all some information about credit scores. This is something that obviously we spend a lot of time talking to our customers about every day, because it's not just trying to figure out how to get someone to qualify for a loan, but it's how do you maximize the credit that you have during the buying process to make sure you get the best terms for your mortgage. So I wanted to give you maybe 3 tips on how to get your credit scores improved, and then also a couple special programs that Churchill Mortgage has, and we'll share those maybe to the end of the video. But one thing I commonly see is just unfortunately some derogatory accounts, and this might be things people didn't realize they even had. A notorious one might be a medical bill that maybe was sent in the mail, missed, and went straight to collections within 30 days. Getting some of those paid off and out of the way will allow the good data or your on-time payments to start building back up your score. So first step, try to maybe smallest to largest pay off any derogatory accounts on the credit report. The second thing is that I notoriously see credit cards just a little bit above 50% of the allowable balance. And so I strongly encourage you to look at the balance of any charge cards or credit cards that you might have and work to do your best to pay those down under 50% of that allowable balance. This means if you're allowed to charge $1,000, do your best to pay it down under $500. And honestly, the optimal credit building score or balance would be at about 25 to 30% of the allowable balance. So maybe in this case, $200 to $300. Now, I'm not a big fan of debt and would rather encourage you towards paying off all your debt and being debt-free. But that can also cause some concerns for your ability to purchase a home. Because when you're debt-free, typically within a few months to a year, you're going to see those credit scores disappear altogether. So now what? Well, Churchill Mortgage has an answer to that question. We have what's called the No Credit Score manual underwriting process. And this is a special way that we use maybe your rental history, maybe your gas or electric payment history, and we manually underwrite a credit history for the underwriter to review and approve. We need to be able to show the most recent 12 months on typically 2 trade lines, one of which would be tied to housing. And that trade line is, like I said, just a payment history on your rental bill or your utilities, your gas and electric. It could also be auto insurance paid monthly, life insurance, renter's insurance. There's a whole host of different options that we might be able to use to get you approved for a loan despite not even having a credit score. So give us a call. We'd love to walk you through your options for a home mortgage. And if you've got some questions about credit, whether or not this is a home purchase you want to make this year, next year, or someday in the future, we'd love to walk with you and be a part of your journey of home ownership and hopefully debt-free home ownership. Have a great day.